Hey, how's it going, everyone? So we've already learned about neurons, which are the base cells that make up the nervous system. Today we're going to be talking about the other key players in the nervous system. Those are glial cells. We're going to cover both the type and also the role of glia. Each type has unique jobs, and they contribute differently to the overall health and function of the nervous system. We're going to look at the following types of glia, and those are astrocytes, microglia, oligodendrocytes, Schwann cells, and also radioglia. So astrocytes are the most numerous glia, and they're the cool star-like shape that you see in front of you now, which is what gives them the astro prefix. These cells attach to nearby neuron synapses, and they help synchronize neuron function. All the synapses that an astrocyte attach to get inhibited momentarily, and then they're ready to fire at the exact same time. You can kind of think of it like an conductor for an orchestra, which makes sure that everyone's playing in sync. Microglia are the resident immune cells of the brain and spinal cord. They help to get rid of foreign bodies in the immune system and to make sure that there aren't any threats present to damage the neurons there. In the same way that you've probably learned about white blood cells, microglia are macrophages, and they work as the janitors of the central nervous system. Oligodendrocytes, which are located in the brain and spinal cord, in addition to Schwann cells, which are located in the periphery of the body, both carry out similar roles to each other. They're both responsible for the formation of myelin sheaths, which encase axons and help ensure rapid propagation of nerve impulses. Myelination greatly increases the speed of action potentials being transmitted through the body, and you can kind of think of it like insulation through a copper wire, but in this case, it's less about protecting the signal and really more about making it travel more quickly. The final type of glial cells today are radioglia. Radioglia are responsible for the formation of neurons. Newborn neurons latch onto radioglia, and these glia are used to guide both the development and also the movement of those neurons, ensuring that they're in the appropriate place and that they're functional. The best comparison that I can think of for radioglia would be that of scaffolding that we use for construction. Building is built up around the scaffolds, and in a similar vein, radioglia provide a sort of blueprint for the layout of our neurons. As a whole, glial cells are definitely less well known than neurons are, but they contribute in an essential way to the proper running of the nervous system, and they're no less important. Alright, that's all for today on glial cells. I hope you've all enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time to learn about the sodium-potassium pump.